A simple if-else statement. A simple if-else statement is a statement that contains a single statement within its if block and within its else block. A simple if-else statement can be written using ternary or conditional operator to get a neat and compact code. For example, if salary is greater than 10,000, then tax is equal to 30 semicolon, else tax is equal to 10. Now here this is a simple if statement because we have only one statement within the if block. We can use a braces here, and we have only one statement within the else block. You can remove the blocks, the curly braces, if you have only one single statement. Now this can be written using a ternary operator. Now first of all, in a ternary operator, as we know that there are three statements. One is a value variable, then the condition, then expression 1, expression 2. So first of all, we have to locate the value variable. Here tax is equal to is a value variable in which the value, final value, will be stored. So tax is equal to, followed by the condition. Condition is salary greater than 10,000, followed by a question mark. If this is true, then tax will be equal to 30. Tax is equal to, we have already written, only the value is to be written now, 30. Else means a colon, and then tax is equal to 10 means 10. So if this condition is true, 30 will be stored, and if this condition is false, 10 will be stored into tax. It will work like a simple if. Now sometimes there is a nested if also. Nested simple if. Now let us see what is a nested simple if. If salary is less than 5,000, tax is equal to 5, else if salary less than 10,000, then tax is equal to 15, else tax is equal to 30. Now we see here it is a simple nested if. Simple nested, simple because each and every block has a single statement, and nested because we have a nested if conditions within the else. So how we can rewrite it using the ternary or conditional operator. Again, locate the value variable. Tax is equal to is the value variable here. Now the first condition is salary less than 5,000. So just write down salary less than 5,000, followed by a question mark. And because this is true, tax will be 5. So just write down 5 here. Then after this we have a else. So each else is for a colon sign. If again a condition, so just write down salary less than 10,000, followed by a question mark. If this is true, tax will be 15. So just write down 15. Else, put a colon for a else, and tax will be 30. Just write down 30. Semicolon. So suppose the salary is 6,000. Then this condition becomes false. So obviously the control will go to this condition. Like in this case, this is false, then it will go here. So if this is false, the control will come here and it will check whether salary is less than 10,000. Yes, it is, because salary is 6,000. So it is true. So 15 will be stored as tax. So this is how we rewrite a simple if statement using conditional operators or ternary operators.